Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, giving them thumbs ups and even sharing them. And if you're stopping by for the first time, I really do appreciate you clicking on this video. There are a lot there that you could have watched, but you decided to stop here today. And I can promise you you're going to learn a lot from this video. This is Rosemary Herbs. Rosemary herbs are great for hair growth, to repair hair damage, and also strengthen your hair strands. If you are looking for ways to grow your hair much faster, thicker, and more fuller, you should add rosemary herbs to your hair care routine. One thing I love about rosemary herbs is the fact that you can easily find this in any grocery store or market, and it is super affordable. My next natural ingredient is mint. Mint is also great when it comes to scalp treatment. You all know new hair grows from the scalp. So if you want your hair to grow much healthier and faster, you need to treat your scalp. Mint will treat your scalp from dandruff or any other scalp issues that might stop your hair from growing. So if you have anything like bacteria, anything going on that scalp, itchy scalp and all of that, give mint a try. You will not regret trying it. So we need a carrier oil. Today I'm going to use pure grapeseed oil. Just reading on the bottle, you see that grapeseed oil has a lot of vitamins and minerals that are great for hair growth and also to care for your hair. There are a lot of plant-based oils out there that you can choose from. There is olive oil, one of my favorite oils. There is avocado oil, sunflower oil, just to mention a few. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. You don't have to use grapeseed oil. And hey you all, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. All right, so let me recap everything for you. So what I did was I put some mint leaves as well as some rosemary herbs together in a blender. I added some grapeseed oil to it and blended everything together. I did not use any specific measurement. When it comes to these DIYs using natural ingredients, don't go too crazy when it comes to the measurement. Too much or too less wouldn't harm you in any way. That is one benefit of using natural ingredients versus using all these chemicals we buy from the stores. So what I did was I made sure I added enough oil to cover both ingredients. Then after that, I blended it, put it on the stove on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. I set it aside and allowed it to cool down. Then I strained my oil out. At this time, I set my oil aside and it is time to move on to my next ingredient. This is mango butter. Mango butter is a great hair moisturizer. And this is shea butter. In this recipe, I'm going to use both mango butter and shea butter. You don't have to use both. You can use either or. I love to mix both hair butters because it gives my recipe a different texture, very smooth texture. I kind of love how it feels on my hair when I mix the two. But again, you don't have to use both of them. So I just measured about a tablespoon of each. Then I put it in a bowl. Then I'm going to use the double boiler method to melt the two together. Once it's melted together, that is when I'm going to measure the amount I need for this recipe. Once it's all melted together like so, what I did was I measured 4 tablespoons, and that is what you're looking at right now. To this, I added 3 tablespoons of my oil. The oil we did from the beginning of this video, that is the mint and rosemary herb oil. After that, I mixed everything together and this is what I'm having. At this point, I'm going to add my essential oil. This is tea tree essential oil, a few drops to do the trick. Adding essential oil to your DIY recipes will maximize the benefit of it. It improves the smell of any DIY recipe, and you can use any essential oil of your choice. This is vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil comes in different forms. Some of them are in capsules, others are in a bottle. Adding vitamin E oil to your DIY recipe is very, very important. It helps stop hair breakages, it will strengthen your hair strands, and also improves the shelf life of any DIY recipe. A few drops or just one capsule will also do the trick. Once everything is added like so, you give it a good stir. And what you need to do right now is to make sure to smash the like button. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up already, what are you waiting for? Please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends, your families, as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for doing all that. So at this point, everything is all ready. I transferred it into another bowl, and at this point, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. This is the outcome of the DIY hair moisturizer, or call it a hair pomade. If you haven't tried anything natural, you need to give this one a try. This hair moisturizer, or call it a hair pomade, doesn't just smell amazing, but it's super effective when it comes to treating your scalp and also treating your hair strands. If you want to grow that hair, stop hair breakage, and also improve the texture of your hair, make sure you're applying this whenever your hair feels dry. You can also use this on your wash day to moisturize your hair. It applies smoothly onto your hair and it melts into your hair like butter. I hope you're going to give this a try. Let me hear from you in the comment section if this is something you would love to try.